This is the Simmons 8834 coupler for the 800 series and the 4800 series Simmons yard hydrants. So this coupler will attach the clevis rod as well as that longer rod as well. I will take a couple looks at it. You can see the full coupler is all female thread in order to connect the two pipes. We can go ahead and take a couple measurements of it as well. You can see total length, which is right at about an inch, with an outside diameter of right above half an inch, and inside diameter measures right at about the same. It is hexed. Yeah, once again, this is the Simmons 8834 coupler for the 800 and 4800 series yard hydrants.